Dean, why would you put the white fence on your fields of flowers?
You know, in Lauri and my adventures, we pass an awful lot of different styles. And one day we came across a picket fence in front of somebody's yard. And there behind it were all these beautiful wildflowers. So I thought I would do that as well. And so the picket fence is just very simple 2x4s that I used. And the background is the same idea of using drywall and finger painting the plaster medium to make all the small flowers in the background. It just took to me. I liked it. It has aged over 22 years now, and you can see that it has stood up beautifully. So I hope you enjoy it. I hope it makes you think about your background, your childhood, a picket fence in your yard, the picket fence.